The economy is strong. Jobs are up, GDP is growing, the headlines are glowing. So why does it feel harder to breathe? Here's the uncomfortable truth. A strong economy doesn't mean a comfortable life. It means the system is working, just not for everyone. Right now, growth is being measured at the top: corporate profits, stock prices, asset values. These numbers can rise even when everyday costs quietly sprint ahead: rent, insurance, food, interest. Wages, meanwhile, move like they're walking in mud. Over the last few years, productivity kept climbing, profits followed, but paychecks lagged behind prices. That gap doesn't show up in GDP charts. It shows up in credit card balances and buy now, pay later plans becoming normal. A strong economy also leans on debt. High rates slow inflation, but they reward people who already have money and punish people who need to borrow just to stand still. The system calls that stability. And there's the irony. When markets cheer, they're often celebrating restraint: fewer raises, lower spending, people tightening belts. Because from the system's point of view, pressure keeps things efficient. So when officials say the economy is healthy, ask a different question. Healthy for what? Growth? Markets? Balance sheets? Or for the people living inside it?